Hello guys! This is what we call the tapoli or rice wine. So, for this episode, I would like to share with you how do we do it in easy way and clean and very yummy way. So, ito na po. Sa vlog na to ay tungkol sa paggawa ng tapoy or rice wine of igorots or from mountain provinces. Sinamahan ng anak ko ang kanyang lola para gagawa ng tapoy. But my son always make fun of his lola. Lagi niyang kinukulit ang kanyang lola. Kaya, yun, very close sila talaga. And my mother used a plain white rice and a first class rice from mountain province. Kasi di basta-bastang rice ang gagamitin dito guys. Dapat yung first class or yung masarap na rice. Para masarap din talaga ang outcome ng wine. You can also use a brown rice here or malagkit or what they call the sticky rice. But before doing the procedure, you first cook the rice like just cooking a regular rice but less water. Kasi mas maganda kung medyo dry yung rice guys and cool it down first before doing the procedure. So sa vlog na to makikita nyo na igorts are spoken in dollar kaya high-tech din kami guys.
Will you please repeat it?
Joke. So here we go.
You have to prepare the yeast.
Yes.
In this yeast, you have to put it in a
Wood.
small lusong. This lusong, you are going to make it into powder like this.
After that,
After making it into powder, it should be powderized talaga.
wow.
So that
Ba't di na lang dito, Gama?
mas maganda ito kasi pinipicture mo eh.
Binibidyo.
Ay, binibidyo.
Oh.
So that you will see that this one is we call this one the pistol, we call this one the bowl, where you are going to,
Ball ba?
it's not bowl really. What is the name of this? Jay lusong nga eh.
Di ba ano to, Craig? Mortar and pestle? Yep. Yeah, yun.
Tama kayo. Ako naman eh.
Okay. That is it. And then after that, you have to grind it very well so that it will be powderized. Then after that, you put it in a bowl. But it's not yet. It is.
Powdered na?
Yes. After that one, you have to spread it evenly to the rice that is, to the cold rice na. You have to make it cold before you spread the yeast. Like this.
If it's warm,
It's not good. The result will not be good. Because this yeast will be the one to make it into wine.
halos lahat naman ng alak.
We call this one bubod. In igorot. In igorot, we call it bubod. Because people before do not buy their wine.
They
They
make their wine.
make their own wine. And rice wine is one of the most popular wine of the igorots.
How cheap is it? How cheap to make?
Huh?
How cheap to make?
It is very easy to make, and the rice is their number one product. So they do not need to buy. This yeast is made from sugar cane. And then after that, after spreading it evenly to the top of the rice, you have to mix it so that the rice in the rice that do not have yeast will also be having yeast like the yeast. It's so easy to make rice wine. This is what the igorot people are doing
And then you just ferment it.
because there is no San Miguel SM before. Now that there is San Miguel, they prefer to buy than to make. This one, this wine, this rice wine, they are also using it. You cannot go and harvest rice, ay palay, if you do not have rice wine baon. You have to get rice wine for your baon. Yes. And that is what the Igorot people are doing.
So, the lesson, do not go buy gin.
Yes.
Just make rice wine.
And
Rice wine will make you drunk also.
yes, but rice wine is rice wine is what is that? What do you call that? Not organic wine.
Not?
Yes,
Not organic?
organic wine.
Not organic yung sinabi mo kanina eh.
No,
Bakit ganyan na inaasal mo? Ano ba ang drama mo sa buhay?
what is that? I said, rice wine is organic wine because it has no halo. It will not make you drunk as long as you know how to handle it.
Mm.
People before love rice wine. Even children can eat the rice wine. And also women, not only the men.
Ama,
Mm.
the more yeast, the more strong.
Maybe.
Maybe?
Yes, of course.
Yes? Ah. So you can control the
Yes.
strength of your wine.
Yes.
If you want extra
Little bit.
strong wine, just use 5
Plenty.
yeast.
It will not taste good naman.
If many yeast,
Yes.
then if you
After that, you put this in a container. After 2 days, it will what is that? It will produce water. It will produce juice, and then you put it here on the gosi. We call this one the gosi. You know, this one is a very important.
inheritance.
Yes, because I inherited this from my grandparents. They're using this for putting the rice wine. And then whenever somebody will get married and they will have their kasar, my grandparents would carry this full of wine and bring it to the,
Kasar.
to the venue, the kasal. That
It's
is,
gift, right?
yes, that is their offering,
Ah.
helping, so that the people will have something to drink because they do not buy San Miguel.
No. They cannot afford San Miguel.
Yes, because they do not have money.
Yes.
They do not work for money. They work for food.
Food.
Yes. So they do not have really money to buy San Miguel. They work for food. They work in the field. They work in the kainin. They work in the river to get fish for their food. They do not work for money. Working for their existence.
Done na?
Okay?
Oh.
After this, you put it in a container like this, and then when it will, after 2 days, it will produce
Wine.
juice.
Oh.
And that is the wine.
Ah.
Now you are going to put it here on this jar. We call this one the wine jar. We call it gusi in igorot. And then it will stay there for even how many months, years, and it is preserved. Now, if they did not eat the wine, you can use this for um, cooking fish.
This?
This one.
Ay.
Yes. This is what we use in.
Madaldal ka eh.
What is that? You use vinegar.
Yeah,
But in the ili, in the barrio, they use this as their vinegar.
I thought you said you can use the goosey to cook fish.
No, no, the container, the wine. If it is there for years or a year, it will become so strong already. You can use it for cooking fish.
But
It will serve as their vinegar. So people before are making their own vinegar because they do not buy anything. What they will buy is salt only because we do not live near the sea. So we are buying our salt. Their lard is from the meat of the
pig.
pig that they are raising. Their sugar is from the sugar cane. So what they are buying only is salt. Because they have their own vinegar, they have like this for their wine.
No magic.
No magic.
Why no magic?
All organic.
Magic is also organic.
Huh?
Think.
You give that to your daddy, he will eat it.
Na
Huh?
I think I will edit.
May I hear what we have been talking?
We've been talking the past 10 minutes. Don't worry, it's good.
Oh,
Yes.
you replay I will hear.
Okay, guys. To make rice wine, use the rice and then put the wine.
Oh no, do not put wine.
Why not put wine?
That is already, it will become wine garud. So it is not rice wine na because you put that one.
But if you mix the rice and then wine,
No,
Yes.
do not put wine.
okay.
May I hear what we have been talking about?
You're...
You did not record.
I record.
Sige man garud.
Might be 40% is about making the rice wine, 60% about grandma.
Sige man garud, let me hear.
Wait. Goodbye na ba? Goodbye na this?
Yeah.
Alright guys, leave a subscribe button and please like the video.